So guys, the full details of the IIIF150 Air 3 has been leaked. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing the details with you guys, but having in mind that the device is still not available. Now there's no official launch date, but I'm expecting the device to launch maybe on the first or second week of September. Anyway, let's explore the top details of the IIIF150 Air 3. So the Air 3 offers a compelling package for those seeking a rugged phone with decent features. It has a large 6.6-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD display with a dynamic island feature that delivers a vibrant and immersive viewing experience. The device also utilizes 12GB RAM and it has 512GB onboard storage for smooth multitasking and ample storage for apps and media. Now the major downside or the drawback of the IIIF150 Air 3 is its processor. Now this device is powered by the Helio G96, guys, the Helio G96. The G96 isn't necessarily an entirely bad processor, but it's very old. And of course, it is not as impressive as the Helio G99. The G99, in my opinion, should have been a much more better option. It is much more efficient than the Helio G96, much more modern, much more faster. I mean, it has a clock speed of 2.2 GHz, while the G96 has a clock speed of 2 GHz. So it has a higher clock speed. It also has a much more higher GPU frequency. Anyway, the G99 is a much more better processor. This device should have been powered by the G99 at least, but unfortunately it is not. So let's move on to its camera setup. Now the device features a 100MP main camera capable of capturing stunning photos and videos, and it could be able to shoot 2K videos at 30 FPS. The inclusion of a 20MP night vision sensor further enhances its low light photographic capabilities. Now the device also features a 32MP front facing camera, which is ideal for selfies and video calls. So dual cameras at the back and of course a 32MP front facing camera. So other features of the Air 3 includes IP68 and IP69k ratings and military grade standard 810H certification, which means the Air 3 is suitable for outdoor activities and could survive harsh conditions. The device features a side-mounted fingerprint scanner. It has NFC, Face ID, Bluetooth 5.0, OTG, and various navigation systems that provides a comprehensive set of connectivity options. And finally, the phone would launch with the latest Android 14. So these are the top details of the IIIF150 Air 3. As you can see, it's not as impressive as the Air 2 Ultra. In my opinion, I already compared the specs of both devices in a separate video. Anyway, I'd like to hear your thoughts, guys. What do you think about the Air 3? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.